Here's our warm-up for today. Put this in the back of your math comp book. We got questions 8, 9, and 10. Use the expression w over 4 plus 12 and a half minus 7z. So you just using this same expression that's here. How many terms does this expression have? Everything that's separated by an addition or a minus sign is a term. So you have one term here, two terms here, a third term there. So how many terms? There are 3 terms in this expression. Which term has a coefficient? So which of these 3 terms has a coefficient? So in order to have a coefficient, you must have a variable. So here we have a variable z. Its coefficient is this 7, or some people see it as a negative 7. So that has, which term has a coefficient? 7z has a coefficient. Does this one have a coefficient? It actually does, and not everybody sees it, but if you don't see it right now, that's fine. This is, how many W's do you see up here? How many W's? 1 W. So this is 1 W over 4. Are you starting to see the coefficient at all? This is the same as saying 1/4 W. So the coefficient doesn't always need to be a perfect solid whole number. It could also be a fraction. I could have 0.5 z's, and you would have told me the coefficient was a half, right? Here I could say 0.25 w, because 1/4 equals 0.25. So which term has a coefficient? The first term and the third term, and this was our second term. So the first and the second have a coefficient. Okay, which term is a constant numerical value? Never going to change, because you're not going to insert a variable w or a variable z. It's never going to change. It's that one right there. The 12 and a half is the constant that never changes.